The average millionaire has 7 income streams. Here's how to build your first 3 without quitting your job. Increase your primary income before adding complexity. Ask for a raise, switch jobs, or add skills worth $10,000 per year more. Most people add streams before maximizing the one they have. Start with your existing skills, fastest path to first dollar. Target $500 to $1,000 per month within 90 days. Freelancing, tutoring, or service business. Proven paths. Dividend stocks. $100 per month invested equals $36,000 portfolio. In 10 years equals $1,440 per year passive. Digital products. Create once, sell forever. Templates, courses, ebooks. Real estate. Rental income, advanced. Requires capital first. Year 1. Maximize earned income plus launch side hustle. Year 2 to 3. Invest side hustle profits into passive streams. Year 4 plus. Passive income funds next streams. Compounding effect kicks in. Track all your income streams with my free tracker at https://funbiz.gumroad.com.